Are you looking for a north-facing, southern backyard, bright and beautiful townhome? Well, this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 70/70 Rainbow Drive, unit number 8 is waiting for you. Let me show you inside. The kitchen is beautifully located right in the front of the home with the window overlooking onto the street. This particular kitchen has new countertops, new kitchen sink, as well as some new fixtures and new floors. Right next to the kitchen is spacious dining area with a lot of sunlight. You're gonna love the family room. And look at the backyard. It actually has a lot of flowers and greenery right in your southern backyard. You're gonna love sitting here. Perfect sunlight for perfect plants, and you're gonna love doing gardening here. This southern backyard gives you so much sunlight, your green thumb can really find some work in here. Two-bedroom upstairs are of equal sizes. They have very large closets and very spacious size as well. You can customize to your need. What we have done, one as a master bedroom for you, and another one as a study. Let me take you. I do want to talk about this complex. This complex is Creekside Cupertino. This complex has multiple styles of construction styles. There are condos, there are single stories, and there are townhome style. This particular unit is a townhome style, where upstairs and downstairs, both area belongs to you, and you have a beautiful backyard. There is also parking spot, which is under the covered garage area. If you're looking for a townhome style, then you need to come and take a look at this. We will be having multiple open houses, so check out the listing details. And then this unit is available for you. You're gonna love living here. A perfect blend of great education, lifestyle, and a beautiful bright home. Come and see me at the open house.